Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Nurkholis. You can call me Kholis. I am a student from the Occupational Safety and Health Engineering Study Program of Politeknik Perkapalan Negeri Surabaya. Here, I want to explain about safety culture and safety education. Safety culture and safety education. Before entering the material, it would be nice if we know some of the following terms. Definition: Safety engineering is a protection effort aimed at ensuring that workers and other people in the workplace or company are always in a safe and healthy condition, and so that every source of protection can be used safely and efficiently. Safety culture is a product of values in individuals and groups, attitudes, perception, competencies, and behavior patterns that determine commitment to do something, as well as the style of and proficiency of an organization's occupational safety and health management. A work accident is an unwanted and unexpected event that can cause human and/or property casualties. Why is running the safety program important? First, prevent physical and financial losses that can be suffered by employees. Prevent disruptions to company productivity. Save on insurance premiums. Avoiding demands. Objective of safety engineering. 1. Protect and ensure the safety of all workers and others in the workplace. Ensure that every production source can be used safely and efficiently. Improve national welfare and productivity. Building safety culture. According to Law Number 13 of 2003, it is stated that every worker or laborer has the right to obtain protection for occupational safety and health, morals and treatment in accordance with dignity and religious values. Law Number 1 of 1970 concerning work safety, which covers all work environments, whether on land, in the ground, water surface, in water or in the air, which are within the jurisdiction of the Republic of Indonesia. Stage of building a safety culture. Number 1. Reactive or natural instinct. Need safety after an accident. At this stage, zero accident is impossible to achieve. Dependent. Implement safety because ordered or supervised. At this stage, zero accident is difficult to achieve. Number 3. Independent. Implement safety only for our own benefit. At this stage, there is a chance that a zero accident is achieved. And the last, interdependent. Implementing safety is not only for yourself, but reminds and pays attention to each other if there are fellow workers who forget or neglect in implementing the safety culture. At this stage, the zero accident wide open can be achieved. What do we need to do? First, finding out what stage we are at, then evaluating our safety performance. Second, increase self-awareness of the importance of safety, and then always prioritizing safety in daily activities to achieve zero accidents and a safe work environment. Concern for safety. Concern for safety awareness also depends on information about safety aspects, which will greatly help us to determine whether something is safe or secure or not. And then, knowledge or understanding of safety aspect really help us to systematically assess or access risks and view safety aspect from a common sense perspective. Impact of science and technology development. The development of science and technology in various sectors has resulted in the emergence of multi-potential hazards. To anticipate this, it is necessary to continuously increase safety effort through various approaches. One, technically, and then technological, and then systemic. Considering the phenomenon of globalization in the world of business, industry, and trade. In this slide, challenges or opportunities in the globalization era. For success in facing challenges or opportunities in global trade, protection of labor, consumer, and human rights are used as benchmark. The implementation of safety is very important in preventing and reducing work accidents, including explosion, fire, and occupational disease. Safety is an aspect of labor protection and is a basic right of every worker and society nationally. Safety must be implemented in accordance with laws and regulations, both national and international standards. This is the work accident pyramid. Every time there is one fatal accident, death or permanent disability. In that one fatal incident, there are 10 minor accidents and 30 accidents that cause damage to assets, property, equipment, or material, and 600 near-miss incidents before the one fatal accident occurred. The work accident pyramid illustrates that in order to prevent fatal accidents at work, effort must be made to eliminate near-miss incidents at work so that the probability of leading to fatal accident and other incidents before leading to one fatal event can be reduced. Causes of work accident. According to Heinrich domino effect theory of work accidents, accidents occur through a causal chain of several interrelated causes of work accident causing work accident, injury or occupational disease, as well as several other losses. There are factors that cause work accident, including direct cause of work accident, indirect cause of work accident, and the basic cause of work accident. Include the direct cause of work accident are unsafe condition and unsafe action. Unsafe condition, some examples include not installed safety or safety guard on the rotation machine, sharp or hot. There is a less standard installation of electrical cable. Work tools or machine or vehicle that not suitable for use. There is no label on the packaging of hazardous materials, and extra. Unsafe action include carelessness, leaving work procedures, not using personal protective equipment, working without orders, ignoring work instructions, not obeying workplace signs, not reporting any damage to tools or machine or extra, not arranging a dangerous work permit before starting work with high risk or danger. Include in the indirect cause of work accident are work and personal factors. The work factors include, among others, work not in accordance with the workforce, not in accordance with actual conditions, high risk work but no countermeasures are made in it, workload that is not appropriate, and extra. Personal factors include mentality or personality of the workforce, conflict, stress, inappropriate skill, and extra. Included in the basic cause of work accident are weak management and control, lack of facilities and infrastructure, lack of research, lack of commitment, and extra. According to Hendrik's domino effect theory, the biggest contribution to the cause of work accident case is derived from human negligence, which is 8 and 18%, while the other 10% is from the factor of improper property, assets, goods, and 2% other factor. Work accident loss are illustrated by iceberg at sea level where the visible ice at sea level is smaller than the actual size of the ice as a whole. Likewise, the visible loss in work accident is smaller than the overall loss. In this case, the visible losses are related to direct costs for the handling or care or treatment of work accident victim without considering other losses which may be many times the amount than the direct cost for victim or work accident. The actual work accident loss in the amount of loss for a work accident victim aided by other losses, material or non-material, caused by the work accident. These losses include direct costs of work accident loss, such as medical costs or care for work accident victim, compensation fee, and then indirect costs such as building damage, tool and machine damage, product and material or material damage, production interruption and causation, administrative costs, emergency facility or infrastructure expenditure, temporary machine rentals, time for investigation, payroll for lost time, recruitment and training costs, overtime fee, supervisory extra fee, time for administration, decrease ability of returning work due to injury, business loss, and good name. Work accident prevention effort. First, workplace hazard identification and control, such as unsafe condition monitoring, unsafe action monitoring. Second, guidance and supervision. Number one, training and education, counseling and consulting. 3. Research development. And then management system, procedure and rules, provision of facilities and infrastructure, awards and sanction. Safety education. Safety education is a series of instructions and warnings that provides awareness about possible harms and injuries with an objective of minimizing injuries and their fatal consequence. The aim of safety education. The aim of safety education is to prevent accidents. An effective way to prevent accidents is to take appropriate action on workers and equipment so that workers have the concept of occupational safety and health in order to prevent accidents. Application of safety education. Number one, safety education about driving, safety education about working at height, safety education about working in mining, safety education about fire, and others. Safety education need to be provided to everyone from an early age. This aims to provide knowledge to them so that they can apply it in their daily life so they can avoid accidents. And then the conclusion. Occupational safety and health or safety engineering is a protection effort aimed at ensuring that workers and other people in the workplace or company are always in a safety and health condition and so that every source of production can be used safely and efficiently. Safety culture is a product of values in individuals and group, attitudes, perception, competencies, and behavior patterns that determine commitment to do something, as well as the style and proficiency of an organization, occupational safety and health management. A work accident is an unwanted and unexpected event that can cause human and or property casualties. It is important that safety education be given to everyone from an early age as a provision for knowledge to be applied in everyday life. That's a little explanation about safety culture and safety education that I can convey. Thank you for your attention. I apologize if there are many mistakes in the way I convey the material. Thank you guys.